na mga kabuso, ito na, maglaro na tayo sa bahay ni Kuya Bills. Kung saan itong nanalaking laban na to, intense hanep! One mischievous monarch, two terrifying pitbulls, and a billion ways to go mad. You'll find him behind that door, rearranging. Yup, it's Kuya Luis's on the Nightway. Baba na na. Dahil na, laro na tayo. Uy, suwabe! Si Kaylin, ay nauna. Grabe! Ito na yung 10 video. Nasaan na kaya siya? Sa kanluran. Tandaan mo yan ha. Huwag ka tiwala sa direksyon. Tiwala ka sa diskarte, okay? Okay. Whoa! Where are we starting kaya anyway? Ha? Anong klaseng kwarto to? Parang mix up na journey to ha? Ano bang klaseng kwarto na yan? What? Grabe! Yes! It's time to put your coins where your mouth is. Get ready to pony up for a dual minigame.
Yoshi, let's play the dual minigame. Yoshi, we're gonna have so much fun. Let's play some minigames.
Come on, Yoshi, we're gonna have so much fun, Kurt. And we're gonna play the Shop Me Shake. Tara na mag-shop. Okay, let me take care of this. Alam mo dumayanas ko lang dito kung mag-Shop Me Shake na tayo. Okay, I already know that game's for Shop Me Shake, pero you can relax for now. Anyway, I gotta do this. Sino mas mataas? Hanep! O yung mas mataas? That's so easy. Yay! That's a piece of cake. For winning the last minigame, Rappy gets to spin the dart wheel. Okay, here I come. Wow! Grabe! Malapit na sa 20! Parang inisip ko na lucky ako. Now, where does the game go kaya? Yun ang tanong. Wow! Ulit? Grabe naman!
Yoshi! It's time for another minigame.
Well, let's hope the game's gonna be an easy one. I manifested. Very na kita. Yes! Yay! Now these guys still got another chance of stealing the 10 pesos. Here it comes. Let's go! Come on, Gino. 5. Parati ng Jess. Bale, okay lang yan. Really, Marco, I don't know why you did it to me. Dress. Never mind. Who's that? It's Emil Sumangil! Yay! Way! You go! I'm to the east, everybody. Tara na, pagpunta ka rin ako dito. Pahanapin mo ako. Hanep! Nandito na si Kuya Mikael. Kuya Mikael nasa bahay. Tara na, huwag na tayo mag-worry dahil nandito na siya. At si Kuya Emil Sumangil. At saka kung magbibisita sa kwarto ni Kuya Emil, sa isang mga pitfall rooms, mabibigyan siya ng isang bituin na may regalo sa'yo. So hooray for Kuya Mikael, but the big downside though, all Kuya Eric spaces have now turned into Bowser spaces. You go! Get ready to find me if you're ready, because I'm waiting in one of those rooms, and I'm so excited to see one of you there. Good luck. What? Wait! And we know the reference room where Kuya Emil is to the east. So if I were to go to the east, that's already the real room. That's the room where Kuya Emil is hiding. Okay. Oh great, now at least I can run. Even though... Ay nako! Puta inga! Si Josel pa, kinain niya ako, puta inga! Oh, no need to curse. Right, I understand. Uy, gago! Please naman! Sayang lang, Daniel! Wala kang pera! Yoshi! Sayang lang! Tama yung hula na nandoon ako. Pero, wala ako doon. Alam mo, to be honest, hanapin mo si Kuya Emil na lang. I gotta run! Watch out! Ima! Anim! Ay, naku. Nope. Singaan yung tinda mo na yun? Walang pake. Bayan na ako sa mano na yan. Putay na. Sorry, sir. Wait, where's the reference room of Kuya Luis again? It's to the south, east, right? But that's an advantage why I did this. Or he has to pay for it now. Yes! West or east? Yun ang tanong. Sa tingin ko, east. Wow! Grabe! Uy, gago! Ano ba yan? Oh, come on! You're stupid! I've gone this far yet? You've still brought me here?
Yoshi, welcome back home.
It's not funny. I'm supposed to be on my way to Kuya Bill's, not going back topsy-turvily. Ay, naku, mga ewan kayo. Ah, there's a spell. At least the spell says you must return back. At least thinks my best friend did it. we did it. We worked together. Good job. And we brought Rafi back. Not funny. I'm really gonna find Kuya Bills. And I know already where that is. Here we go. Hey. Ay, nako. Ano ba yan? Tahin na walang kwenta. Wala akong gastos para sa candy na yan. Tahin na talaga. Huwag dito. Yes! Safe! Ay, naku, yung balak ni best friend ko. Tarantado, ayoko yun. Yes! Nakaw na! Kung panalo ko, akin yung pair na yan. Puta! Ina, tarantado! Gago! Epal! Inutil, tarantado! What did I tell you about cursing? Stop it. Stop with the cursing, dude. You know you're not getting anywhere if you just keep on cursing too much. Tsaka it's just a game lang talaga. It doesn't matter who wins or who loses. I know. For the sake of this game, this is where I have problems. Especially when it comes to the hammering. So I need to borrow a weird mode. Tara na! Mag-construction na tayo. Tara na, hammer na tayo. Siguro I have to switch controllers. Kasi nga, they said that if you use the other controller, it's faster. Although, don't trust it that much. Because it'll just cost you 1 life. Switch! See, discard ako ha! Kahit na mga Jules matatalo na ako, may discard pa ako. Yan, that's what you need. Discard resilience. Diba, you cannot hammer because you lost your remote. So what did you do? Switch. Diba? Kaya they say always switch remotes if in case of emergency. Yan. Papadalo na ako. Akin na yung pera! Yes! 5 pesos, akin na yan. Taking mo. Hey, that's unfair. Where did our money go? Well, I got a plan with that. Unless you find Kuya Emil Sumangon, for instance. Yes! Great! At least it still brought me anywhere. Ha! Wale! Sorry, Luke, you still don't have your money. You lose that one, bitch. Next! Okay, here I come. Kaya pala, so stupid. Tama ka, Kuya Billy must be here. 7! I know he's to the left. Am I right? Sige, dito na ako. Yes! I knew it! That's where Kuya Luis is located. And that's the reference where Kuya Luis is found. Hi, Kuya Luis! Ito na, bayad ko na para sa isang bituin. Salamat sa Diyos! Hanep! Yeah! I got that. Oh yeah, right. Get off the camera. Too bad it won't be so easy to find me for your second star. Hee hee hee. Remember that every time you win, don't always curse, because that'll lead you to worse stuff. Understand? What a fierce competition! I'm impressed. Now let's take a look at the standings. Well, look at this. It looks like Rafi Chan here is likely the winner. The way how things are going, Marcus is sure to lose, so let's give him a boost. You all want a good fight, right? So let's see if this evens the odds. So Marcus, take on the dart wheel to get your present. Wale! And there it is. Well, it seems like you blew an opportunity. Sorry, but that's alright because we're gonna do this anyway. And we're gonna do our best. Yaha! I'm ready when you are. Before we proceed, let's review muna. Alright, so this is where we have started kanina. So kung sa tingin mo nagsimula tayo dito, di ba? So we know the reference where Kuya Luis is 2 here. Pero there's still a chance because we still need to find Emil Sumangil, who's right over here. So now I know there's another room somewhere here. Tapos baka malay mo kung meron pa, dito siya. So tama. There's a room here, 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 tapos doon. So tama yung pinunta ko. Pinunta ko sa kaliwa. 9. Lord sa naman 6. Okay lang yan. Balik kung bawas ako ng 3 peso. Okay lang. Okay, okay, Kurt. Or Mikey. Or Ethan. Find your way there. Yes! This way. 1 peso lang, di bali na. Takbo! Why would I need that here? Uy, gago! Si Mika yung kumain sa akin. Puta, ina talaga. Tado. Ayoko na. Tatlo! Here I come. Ay, naku po. Kain na talaga yung isang yan. Let's go! 4. Here I come this time. Yes! Tatlo! Mali! 6! What the fuck? Okay, now we have to keep going straight. Oh my god, wasted money again. For nothing. Okay, we'll do whatever you want. Oh, jeez.
Yoshi, I hope for coins.
Yes! Wala ka ng pera, puta. Ino mo. Bala na itong ulit na talaga yung laban na ito. Puta, ina. Apat. No wins. Laban ba, sir? Puta na talaga. Time to open up the chest. Yay! More money for me. Yes! best friend ko, wala na siyang pair ulit. Sayang! Wala na naman, mali. Kahit pinakulit-ulit mo. Hey dude! You still don't have enough coins! Hey, I'll give you a tip. Even though you don't have enough pesos by the time you reach me, try taking another route. Take the long cut. Like for example, you're closer to me. Don't always find another room where you can take, so that you can take more time to find money. Okay? Sayang lang yung lakbay mo eh. Yung magpunta ka dito tapos ang layo mo na tapos magbabalik na naman sa simula hanggang matunguni mo ako. Dapat stay there lang. Take detours until you have enough money. Okay? Pwede ka mag-roundabout. Roundabout coin blocks para magkaroon ka ng pera.
But I want to find you easily.
Wala ka na pera. Kaya nga sinabi ko, kung wala kang pera, magpunta ka na kung saan kwarto. There's lots of other rooms naman you can try. Tsaka, di ba sabi ni Rafi, nandito na talaga si Kuya Mikael. Have you tried one of those rooms yet? Nandun talaga si Kuya Mikael sa pinakababa. Try that room muna. Yeah, that's what I was suggesting. Because it's just a waste of time if we were to do that. And I'm afraid we're just wasting time already. What the heck? Another mano in the house? Weird. 9! Wala. Sorry. My turn. Yes! Taas na ako Oh, that's where we have stopped. Kaya pala still takes a long journey if I were to find other rooms. Tandaan mo na tumanang ka Huwag ka pag-ikot-ikot. Ay, naku, isa lang. Grabe. Yes! Galing! Wait, grabe naman sa pagdanakaw. My turn! My turn, guys. Please, Lord, sana malaking bawi. Yes, 5. Kung sa tingin mo nandun ako sa kaliwa, sa kanan ako. Okay, now I can send something. Alright. Here I come. Yes! What the heck? Now I know there's another room where Kuya Luis is hiding. I think I kind of guessed it. Oh my gosh! Here we go again. Another versus mini game. It's just like shit again. Fine, I'll give them a chance. Let's do this. You're the pop, bitch. Here we go. I'll try the fourth one first. Hanep! Paano nga yan? That's unfair. Why? Well, that's alright because I got another plan. Here I come. Money! Isang peso lang, di bali na. Para may chance ka sa pagdanalo. Patuloy na kita. That's good. Be generous.
Yay! Yoshi, I'm gonna win.
Yup, that's right, everybody. Time for me to come up with my new plan. What the heck? Kaya pala. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dapat nandito siya. If I were to explore the room more, pwede. Pero what you all, this might take a lot of time. And this is really time consuming. Pero, sige, if I were to. Pero just hope it won't take too long. Di ba, na. Para what you all, we can finish this once and for all. Tsaka alam ko na talaga, doon talaga si Kuya Emil. What? Never mind, for as long as I still have enough cash.
Yoshi, I'm gonna steal Rafi's money.
10 pesos doesn't really hurt that much. What more if it were 20 pesos, and that would really hurt me.
Yoshi, 10 pesos just fine.
Yeah, whatever. My turn. Yes! No thanks. So therefore, if I were to go straight ahead, it'll lead me up. But I don't want to go there. So I have to go down. Perfect! And... What? Kala ko doon talaga si Kuya Bills eh. Ay, salamat sa Panginoon. Tinawag ko talaga si Kuya Eric Tay kanina. Parang case lang kung mag-detour na ako. Di na ako sa Sitonado. Wala akong problema. Dito na ako. Kuya Emil, you're here. Who's that? It's... Emil Sumangil! Yay! Wahey! Or Mikael, the cap of Running Man. Oh, Rafi, you're looking for me? Hanep! Si Kuya Mikael ng Running Man, ang captain ng Running Man, ay nagpunta dito sa bahay ni Kuya Bills para maiwasan lahat yung mga multo dito sa bahay niya. Nito. Furthermore, hindi siya nagkaplog dito sa mga pitfall na yan. Meron pa. Furthermore, magbibigay siya ng isang maliwanag na bituin na parang regalo para kay Rafi. What a hero! Salamat, Cap! Thanks, Kuya Mikael! Oh, syempre naman, runners! Ang galing na, oh! Galing talaga si Rafi makalam sa akin. Oh, galing naman, Kuya Mikael! Talagang hinarap na kita para machulis manalo na ako. Kaso ito kasi yun ang totoong kwarto kung nasaan talaga si Kuya Robs. Pero yun pala, ikaw lang dito. Oh, sige, runners, shout it out! Kasama rin kita! Ito, si Rafi naman. Runners on count! 1, 2, 3! Let's go, Running Man! Thanks, Kuya Emil. You're the best! Hanep! These chills and spells are over. We have a winner! That's right, folks. This duel belongs to Rafi. Congratulations! At least I won this game. Now that I won, okay, that's enough. That's the end of the game, everybody. Leave a like if you like this video. And thank God there's no cursing. Bye!